To the average person, it was a couple of helicopters buzzing about some TV antennas this Saturday. To the trained eye, it was the installation of a powerful new antenna. Our engineering team says it'll deliver a better over-the-air signal for our viewers in the Delaware and Lehigh valleys. About a dozen workers were up to some high-flying maintenance on CBS 3's and the CW Phillies TV towers in Roxborough. We strapped a GoPro on one worker as a two-piece antenna was bolted to the 1,350-foot TV transmission tower. From the ground, piece number one was hoisted by a specialized chopper, an aircraft normally used to fight forest fires out west. That part of the antenna weighs 20,000 pounds. Michael Scharf is CBS 3 chief engineer.
There is a mounting base already sitting on top of that antenna, which the bottom antenna will attach to.
They'll use a total of 24 10-inch long galvanized bolts.
The tower crew that's here, there'll be several of them up there waiting for that. They'll be guiding the helicopter, giving them hand signals, directing it down to its proper location and orientation.
The 8 tower guys remained in place for a few hours. We sent Chopper 3 to keep them company, while that custom chopper refueled and returned to lift the second piece. The work is part of an FCC mandate to improve CBS 3 and CW Phillies signals and create additional space for cellular networks.
And also these tower climbing crews and helicopter crews are doing this kind of work all across the country. So everybody has to kind of wait in line for their turn.
With daylight soon to fade, the second piece of the antenna was delicately lowered into place. The job caught the attention of those on the ground. When fired up, the antennas will push a megawatt of power. The work might be nerve-wracking for some. The tower is actually 200 feet taller than Philly's highest skyscraper. But those views make it all worth it, 1,350 feet up. And if all goes to plan, our engineers tell us the signal could be up and running as early as Thursday. Cool visuals there, thanks to photographer Will Kenworthy on the ground and Chopper 3.